Hi everyone! Welcome back to my Japanese Carnivore channel. Thank you so much for coming back. We are doing 30-day challenge and today is day 23. Yay! So today I'd like to share with you my experience. What could happen to you when you do this carnivore diet? And it's amazing. As the title says, being on a carnivore diet made me a minimalist. So, as you know, the carnivore diet is a very simple eating habit. You only eat meat, seafood, eggs, and the cheese and butter from Europe, and the black coffee and tea. And I drink water with good salt, like Okinawa's sea salt or lake salt from Utah, as Dr. Kimberly suggests. And also, you have like a pink crystal salt from Tibet, right? So very simple eating. And then, other than that, I was told we think about constantly thinking about 40,000 to 60,000 things a day. For example, what to wear, what to eat, and then the more clutter you have in your environment, the more thinking your brain has to do to sort it out. No wonder I was confused. No wonder your life wasn't clear because of the clutter and the so many decisions, constant decisions we have to make. And there are so many thoughts are going on in our brain. It's like bombarding. Do you remember these two gentlemen, what they did? Yes, if you remember, the Steve Jobs, he always wore this black, high neck and the blue jeans. I'm sure he had so many pieces of it. I was told Steve Jobs liked Japan, and his black top is either Japanese designer, either Kansai or Yoji Yamamoto. But when he came to Japan, he bought like dozen of them. So even though he has only one set, but he, of course, changes and wash them every day. And Mark Zuckerberg of Meta used to be Facebook. He also used to wear the same hooded thing, right? So why they wear the same thing? Because they just try to minimize clutter in their brain so that they can focus on something more important. And this saying, you are what you eat. So that really changed my life. I am what I eat, meaning I'm doing Japanese carnivore diet and I only eat when I feel hungry. So today's table of contents, the simple eating habits led me to a simple life. So what I do every weekend grocery shopping, less shopping. Because now I know I only buy meat, seafood, egg, and the less is more. So as a result, my home budgeting become better and simple. And as a result, I have more time for meditation, quality family time. Of course, the results may vary. So, just a little bit about me. My name is Grace. I am a California licensed occupational therapist. These two books really inspired me. So, even though I am a rehab expert, my passion is your well being in this 100-year life because I believe prevention is more important. Healthy lifestyle is more important than rehab. So if you remember, the Mr. Hippocrates said, let food be your medicine. And in Japan, we also say, Ishoku dogen, food is your medicine. But we have forgotten, and this is what we are, we somehow believe it's medication and the surgery keep us healthy. But we have to realize it is our healthy lifestyle. That's important. So special thanks to those three gentlemen who led me to lectin-free diet and the carnivore diet. As a result, I don't have any more inflammation in my body. And even though you may not agree with the carnivore diet, it's okay because in my channel I discuss more about Japanese foods, culture, mindset, and custom, and then diet and going to gym had something in common. In gym there are so many different classes and so many different ways, but we all share one common goal, that is well-being and stay fit. So the difference between traditional carnivore diet and my Japanese carnivore diet, the traditional carnivore diet is strictly beef. They say, some people say not even butter or dairy product, just beef. But I am Japanese from Japan, and I've been eating all the seafoods, eggs, and meat. And I am relatively active. I don't have any serious chronic disease, but I was chubby and I had a inflammation. So I was active doing exercise. I was a good girl, but I had knee pain, low back pain, and sometimes I had a brain fog. My concentration and memory are not as good as it used to be, and I was chubby. So actually, I was 30 pounds heavier than today. So either traditional carnivore diet or my Japanese carnivore diet, the beauty is you don't have to count calories. As Dr. Ken Berry said, you can eat as much as you want until you feel comfortably full. All right. So I've been doing this carnivore diet since June of 2023. And then that's why I really invite you to do this 30-day carnivore challenge. And hopefully today is day 23. You might feel something different, positive change. But I just want to share with you, this is the biggest, best change happened to me. Amazing thing happened to me. On the left hand side was my refrigerator. My refrigerator was packed with food. You cannot see the other side of the refrigerator. It's packed. So as a result, I forgot what I have in my refrigerator, and most of the time, it's gross. But I the foods develop molds and they get spoiled or rotten because I cannot see what's inside. And I've always wished to have almost empty refrigerator where you can see wall on the other side. And this is kind of exaggeration, but this is pretty much my refrigerator now. I only have leftover meat or just several dozens of eggs and cheese and the butter from Trader Joe. That's about it. That's what I have. I don't have any more those things. I am so happy. And then, now I'm limited to what I buy when I go grocery shopping. So, I thought being on a carnivore diet because you have to eat seafood and the beef, I thought gonna be expensive. Actually, my grocery shopping receipt is smaller, more reasonable than it used to be since I stopped buying fruits and vegetables. Of course, it depends and varies from household to household. Now, the second one, the good thing happened to me was my closet. My closet was like on the left hand side, it's packed with clothes, and it's just overwhelming. My one bedroom was full of clothes. It was like a huge bedroom closet. But because now I lost 30 pounds and there are so many clothes doesn't fit anymore, so my closet looks pretty much like this. And the shoes and the clothes that become too big for me and that I don't need to wear, I decide to donate them. Donate them to church or charity, like and a goodwill. Sometimes I give, still new clothes to my relatives. So that makes me feel good because, I'm a typical Japanese. I feel mottainai. I hate to waste. So if I cannot basura, I cannot throw things away. So if I can donate my stuff for some other people to use it, or I can give it to my relatives, I feel so good. It made me feel good. No more guilty feeling. And then, the minimalist is not just living in a empty space like this picture on the right hand and on the top picture. It's not like your house is empty. No. To me, the definition of a minimalist is surround yourself that makes you feel good. So, for example, if a Hello Kitty makes you feel good, then keep Hello Kitty. So just be selective. Only have things that makes you feel good. That is my definition of minimalist. So I feel good. When you feel good, you give out all the good energy and happy energy that makes people around you happy. And the less is more. Once I get rid of all the clutters in my house, and then also I don't have to spend so much time cooking, washing fruits or washing dishes. I mean, cutting vegetables and washing vegetables. No, I only have steak, ground beef, seafood, very minimum cooking time. So I have more time for myself, quality time with the family, and you can do more reading, more meditation, spend more time with friends. So really enjoy. Life is too short. Don't don't have those 40,000 to 60,000 minds just bombard your brain. Just less is more, and enjoy your quality time yourself with your family. That's all for today. So that really, really, that's the big plus I got, other than no more inflammation and I lost 30 pounds. But I was so happy I did carnivore diet. So let me know what you feel, and tell me if you have any positive outcome, because we exchange positive energy here. All right, that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.